What if, within our lifetimes, diseases like Alzheimer's, pancreatic cancer, and type 1 diabetes weren't life sentences, but treatable conditions caught early, reversed proactively, personalized to your biology? It sounds like science fiction, but quietly, AI is rewriting the rules of medicine, not by replacing doctors, but by turning decades of fragmented data into actionable cures. We're not talking about one AI to cure all. We're talking about an ecosystem where AI deciphers disease at its roots: your genes, proteins, cells, and environment. DeepMind's AlphaFold has already predicted the 3D structure of over 200 million proteins, including those linked to rare diseases with no known treatments. That's like handing researchers a 3D map of every lock. Now they just need to design the right keys. Traditional drug discovery takes 10 to 15 years and $2.6 billion per drug. AI slashes that. Insilico medicine used generative AI to design a novel fibrosis drug, from target identification to preclinical candidate, in just 18 months. Benevolent AI identified a new mechanism for ALS in weeks, not years. And in oncology, AI models now match tumor DNA to clinical trials with 92% accuracy, getting patients onto life-extending therapies faster. But curing disease isn't just about new drugs, it's about preventing them before symptoms appear. AI-powered liquid biopsies can now detect cancer DNA in blood years before imaging shows a tumor. In the UK, the Galleri test, powered by machine learning, caught 50-plus cancer types at stage 1 or 2 in asymptomatic people. Pair that with continuous glucose monitors, smart wearables, and EHR pattern recognition, and we're moving from sick care to health forecasting. Crucially, AI is democratizing access. A pathologist in rural Alabama can now use AI tools like Paige.AI to detect prostate cancer in biopsies with expert-level accuracy. No need to wait weeks for a specialist consult. In community clinics, voice-based AI screens for Parkinson's via subtle speech changes, a 30-second phone call, no clinic visit. Yet the biggest challenge isn't tech, it's trust and equity. An AI trained only on data from white, male, insured patients will fail women, people of color, and the uninsured. The fix? Mandate diverse datasets, like the NIH's All of Us program, collecting health data from 1 million or more underrepresented Americans. And build explainable AI, not trust the black box, but here's why we flagged your risk. This isn't about immortality. It's about compressing morbidity, living healthier, longer, with dignity. The goal isn't to eliminate death, but to eliminate suffering. If you believe in a future where no family has to hear there's nothing more we can do, hit subscribe, like, and share this video. Tap the bell icon for our latest on AI innovation, where science meets hope and every breakthrough brings us closer to cures for all. Because the cure isn't coming. It's already being written, one algorithm, one insight, one life at a time.